When you want to create a different version without disturbing the original, click Versions. The thumbnail displayed next to your lyric page represents your original project. If you want to preserve those lyrics and make some changes without disturbing the original, click Duplicate under the 3 dots drop-down menu on the thumbnail. When you do so, it will create a duplication of the original lyrics, which will then be displayed in the word processor. Here you can make whatever changes you wish to that version without disturbing the original. If you want to create a new version that has nothing to do with the original lyrics, such as a place to jot down ideas or notes, click on the New Version button. This will create a blank page in the word processor and will allow you to create an entirely new version without disturbing the original or any subsequent versions. When you have a version displayed in the word processor and want to see another version side by side, go to the version you would like to see and under the 3-dot drop-down menu, click Show. This will allow you to see any 2 versions side by side. You can exit the side-by-side configuration by clicking on the Back button. The last version viewed becomes the default version, which allows you to come back to where you were or to make any version the one you'd like to work with. You can exit versions by either clicking on the Close button or clicking on Versions at the bottom of the page.